Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Today I am going to talk about rate of interest and processing charges in vehicle loans with effect from 15th April 2025 in Bank of India. Bank of India is one of the leading public sector bank who is giving lowest rate of interest in retail loan. Concession and waiving in processing charges also available. Bank of India never charges any hidden charge like some other bank. No prepayment charges. Bank of India RBLR with effect from 9th April 2025 is 8.85%. Repo rate is 6% and markup is 2.85%. Bank of India's MCLR with effect from 1st April 2025 is overnight MCLR is 8.25%. 1 month MCLR is 8.45%. 3 month MCLR is 8.60%, 6 month MCLR is 8.85%, 1 year MCLR is 9.05%, and 3 year MCLR is 9.20%. All loans at floating rate of interest per annum at monthly rates except otherwise mentioned. Rate of interest all linked to RBLR or MCLR. RBLR is 8.85% with effect from 15 April 2025 and with effect from 1st April 2025, Bank of India's 1 year MCLR is 9.05% and 3 years MCLR is 9.20%. BSD is applicable from 15th April 2025 to 30th June 2025. Star vehicle loan. Vehicle loans linked to civil personal score, four-wheelers and super bikes above 5 lakhs. Star vehicle loan. Vehicle loans linked to civil personal score, four-wheelers and super bikes above 5 lakhs. Civil personal score is external credit rating 825 and above and AAA and AA rated. For salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0%, less BSD 0.10%, presently 8.75%. For non-salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0%, less BSD 0.10%, presently is 8.75%. Civil personnel score between 800 and 824 and A rated. For salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0%, less BSD 0%. Presently, rate of interest is 8.85%. For non-salaried personnel, the RBLR plus CRP 0% and less BSD also 0%. Presently, rate of interest is 8.85%. Civil personnel score between 760 and 799 and BBB rated. For salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0%, less BSD 0%. Presently it is 8.85%. For non-salaried personnel, it is RBLR plus CRP 0%, less BSD 0%. Presently it is 8.85%. Civil personnel score between 725 and 759. For salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0.10%, less BSD 0%. Presently, rate of interest is 8.95%. For non-salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0.10%, less BSD 0%. Presently, rate of interest is 8.95%. Civil personnel score between 725 and 759 and below BBB rated. For salaried personnel, RVLR plus CRP 0.10%, less BSD 0%. Presently, rate of interest is 8.95%. For non-salaried personnel, RVLR plus CRP 0.10%, less BSD 0%. Presently, rate of interest is 8.95%. Civil personnel score between 675 and 724. For salaried personnel, RVLR plus CRP 0.20%, less BSD 0%. Presently, rate of interest is 9.05%. For non-salaried personnel, RVLR plus CRP 0.20%, less BSD 0%. Presently, 9.05%. Civil personnel score below 675. For salaried personnel, RVLR plus CRP 1.50%, less BSD 0%. Presently our rate of interest is 10.35%. For non-salaried personnel, RVLR plus CRP 1.50%, less BSD 0%. Presently rate of interest is 10.35%. Civil personnel score of -1 and 0. For salaried personnel, RVLR plus CRP 0.30%, less BSD 0.10%. Presently, rate of interest is 9.05%. For non-salaried personnel, RVLR plus CRP 0.30%, less BSD 0.10%. Presently, rate of interest is 9.05%. For two-wheelers, for salaried personnel, RVLR plus CRP 1.75%, less BSD 0%. Presently, rate of interest is 10.60%. For non-salaried and non-individuals, RVLR plus CRP 1.85%, less BSD 0%. Presently, rate of interest is 10.70%. For second-hand vehicles, for salaried personnel, RVLR plus CRP 1.90%, less BSD 0%. Presently, rate of interest is 10.75%. For non-salaried and non-individuals, RVLR plus CRP 2%, less BSD 0%. Presently, rate of interest is 10.85%. Star vehicle loan. In case of entities other than individuals where external credit rating is not applicable, CMR oblique Equifax 3 and better, RVLR plus CRP 0%, less BSD 0%. Presently, rate of interest is 8.85%. CMR oblique Equifax 4 and 5, RVLR plus CRP 0.10%, less BSD 0%. Presently, rate of interest is 8.95%. CMR oblique Equifax 6 onwards or no CMR or Equifax, RVLR plus CRP 0.75%, less BSD 0%. Presently, rate of interest is 9.60%. Star vehicle loan processing charge. New four-wheeler 0.25% of limit. Minimum rupees 2,500 and maximum rupees 10,000. Two-wheeler and old vehicles 1% of loan amount. Minimum rupees 1,000 and maximum rupees 5,000. In case of purchasing e-vehicles, 50% concession in applicable processing fee. For non-individuals, processing charge will be double that of applicable charges, including maximum ceiling to individuals. Source: Bank of India website. Thank you very much for your patience. Request for like, share and subscribe.